This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. So today's discussion is Palantir, Astera Labs, Microsoft, and Amazon. And here's what these four stocks have in common. These are four of the stocks that are in our own family office portfolio holdings. Astera and Palantir are relatively new holdings. Amazon and Microsoft we've had for some time, and we've increased the holdings of those shares in the Becker family office. And to call it a family office might be a bit of a stretch, but let's call it the Becker family office for this purpose. Now, the real key here is we're going to follow throughout the year. When we double down on these four stocks, took a position in Astera, took a position in Palantir, increased our positions in Amazon and Microsoft. Really the point this year, and I'm not giving any investment advice. Let me tell you, my only investment advice is to really figure out what allocation works for you. So when the market goes up, it goes down, you feel pretty good about it. To live with that allocation, really study how that allocation works to understand your own behavioral finance. So you're not buying into momentum, selling into downturn, stuff like that, but really understand your allocation. That's my investment advice. I don't have an investment advice on a particular stock. I'll tell you that what we did do is we bought some Astera shares. We actually bought them through a fund, through a Skybridge deal. Then we also bought Palantir. We have Microsoft. We have Amazon. We doubled down on those. We've not yet bought specific individual positions in Apple and NVIDIA, though we thought about it. We hold it, of course, through index funds, but we'll see how it goes. And one of the things we're going to do this year is we're going to track how these four stocks do: Palantir, Astera Labs, Amazon, and Microsoft, and then periodically report on how they do. And what I will tell anybody, what I'd love to hear, if somebody sends me a suggestion for a stock they think should absolutely be in somebody's portfolio. Now, remember, I'm not a high-risk flying guy, so it can't be something nobody's ever heard of, most likely. But if you send me a stock and we end up investing in it, and I can't do this for everybody, but, I'll do it for up to three stocks. If we end up investing in it, we'll send you a $100 Amazon gift certificate, and not because we hold Amazon, because it's just so easy to deliver to people that do this, that call in. So 773-766-5322. Send us your suggestion. If we invest in it, we'll send you a $100 Amazon gift certificate. And again, this is just for the first three people that send suggestions. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. We are looking for a fantastic year in 2025. Thank you for listening.